Tikman natin yung appetizer.
Looks delicious. Just like this. Oh, well, we have to test it on.
Mga ka-Showpa, malapit na kami sa mall. 7 minutes na lang. And nandito kami sa Person Street. Kaya puro puno na. Kaya medyo malamig na. Kasi nung nandun kami malapit sa beach, sa lake, super init. Ngayon medyo okay na siya. So ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mall dito sa Chicago. What's the name of the mall?
It's called Water Tower Place.
Water Tower. Magsha-shopping tayo mga ka-Showpa. Dahil pinagod ako ng asawa ko, uubusin ko ang pera niya. Alam mo talaga yung pera niya. So ayan po yung daanan namin dito. Ang ganda kasi dito, para siyang BGC, Makati Ayala. Tapos meron siyang what's it called? What is this? Yeah.
This?
That one?
Oh, it's a squirrel.
Squirrel. So para siyang nasa BGC. So hot. Oh, so init.
We're almost there.
We're here? Yeah? You sure? Are you sure? I don't think so. That's a hotel. Wow! Look at that! Para siyang castle, oh. Nakashow pa, ang ganda. Ano kaya yan? Church?
I don't know where the entrance is.
The entrance is in there. Hold on. I'm gonna take a picture of this one. So beautiful. Yay! We're here now. What's the name? Ito na yung mall nila mga ka-Showpa. Wow! Finally. That's so cool. Ala, so beautiful, oh. Nice. Nice.
In the right place.
That's cool. I want to see. Wow. This is real water. Ah, diba? Ang ganda. Wow.
I think your face is so red. It
Yeah.
must be so hot.
So hot, tired,
Red?
and everything. No. It's not red.
It's a lot for you.
So beautiful. Namumula na daw ako. Tisay kasi ako mga ka-Showpa eh. Baka nangingitim, hindi na namumula. No. Medyo malamig dito mga ka-Showpa. I'm so happy. Ay, ito yung mall nila mga ka-Showpa. Oh, so beautiful. Mga ka-Showpa, maghahanap kami ng restaurant and hanapin namin yung Japanese restaurant dito sa Chicago. Medyo dugyot na yung mukha ko. Naglalatik na ako.
Walking all day.
Naglalatik na yung mukha ko. Nakakainis. Ito mga ka-Showpa, may castle dito. Ah, diba? Ang ganda. Finally, nandito na kami sa Ramen Sandalongs. Ano siya mga ka-Showpa? Tikman natin yung appetizer. Bakit ang sarap?
Good?
Hmm?
Looks delicious.
Better, huh?
Oh,
Good?
good.
Yeah. How much is this?
Don't remember.
For?
Kind of $15.
Sure. So delicious.
Worth it?
I don't think so. I think it's only $4.
$4? This? No. At least if it's,
Sarap.
I think
Tikman natin yung kanilang ramen. Sarap.
tasty.
No, you can eat it.
See if it's any good.
Oh, it's kind of like a burger. Is it good?
The sauce is really good.
Ah, let's go. Kain muna kami, mga kachupa. Very so delicious. Ang sarap dito, mga kachupa. Kung pumunta kayo dito sa Chicago, punta po kayo dito sa, what's it called, B? This one? Ramen Sun
Ramen Sun Deluxe.
Deluxe. Very yummy yung ramen. And then masarap din yung mga food nila, lalo na yung tempura, masarap. At then tikman natin tong sushi.
Good? No.
Sarap! What is this?
I'm not sure.
Onion? Oh, ginger.
Ginger?
Hmm? Ang sarap mga kachupa ng sushi. Order kayo na ito mga kachupa. Very yummy. Good? Good?
Bamboo? Just like this. Okay.
Ito lang yung mga kachupa yung nagastos namin, $50. Mga kachupa, very energetic na naman tayo ngayon dahil kakatapos lang namin kumain dito sa Ramen Sun. Pag pumunta kayo dito sa sa Chicago, daanan nyo to mga kachupa. Malapit lang to sa, what's this? Is this street, B?
This is Huron.
Ha?
Huron. Let's go there. Huron.
Ihura? I cannot see. Shitown. Basta ano siya, mga kachupa. Ito yung H&M, mga kachupa. Ayan. So, pupunta tayo dyan, H&M. Mag-shopping muna tayo. Titingin tayo ng mga, ano, ang ganda naman ito. Babe, what's this? Hotel?
This here, don't know. This is what it says on.
Ayun, mga kachupa. Hotel nga. Ayun, oh, tip
Oh yeah,
top
it's a
top.
hotel. It says over there it's a hotel.
Ayan, ito yung mga kachupa. Yung parang BGC Hotel. Parang BGC Hotel siya, no? Kasi yung, ano niya, yung mall niya nasa labas. Ay, no, be. Where we're gonna go? Ay, meron Harry Potter, oh. Harry Potter.
You wanna go in there?
I'm not fan in Harry Potter. Ito, H&M. H&M. I wanna go H&M.
No, they have one here.
They have clothes?
Oh, right here.
Yeah.
Yes, they do. Haha.
Let's go.
It's not. Try the blue one. Turn around. Let me see. Nothing. Maybe. Is that the extra small? That's the medium? I think you don't even need to try the extra small then. That's already a perfect fit. You like it? Good, I think you should get that one. If that one's already tight, you wear the extra small, it's gonna be way too tight.
Wow. So beautiful. Why there's a lot of beautiful building here?
Big city.
Makachupa, oh. What is this? Museum? There's one, oh.
In here?
Yeah.
I'm gonna check it out.
Wow. So beautiful. Wow. And then my phone fell down. Ako siya pa, ang ganda. And then, ito yung Trump Hotel. And then, where we're going? Where? London House? They have Target there, oh.
Architecture. No, it's not Target.
Lalaki ng building dito. It's so beautiful. Nakakashow pa. Ang ganda nito talaga. London House. Very beautiful. And then, they have a boat there. I better sila, they have a street food. I thought it's not allowed here. Nice. Wow. What time is it? So beautiful. Yay! Ayan rin Trump Hotel, mga kachumpa. There you go, B. Tignan yung mga kachumpa. Oh, so beautiful. Hello? Hello, B. Nice. Mga kachupa, update. We're gonna get our car ready.
Philippines.
Hello?
It's a tricycle from the Philippines.
Meron palang e-bike dito eh. Mga kachupa, kukunin na namin yung car. So dito namin siya pinark sa Renaissance. Nakuha na namin yung car kasi medyo 7 PM na. Ang ganda. So tired. How many hours, D? 8? Under 2 hours? 2 to 8 hours? $68? Damn, expensive. Sakit na pa ako. Parang feeling ko naka 5,000 steps kami. Be 5,000 steps today.
5,000 steps? That's really good. We made a lot of progress. We should be doing 10,000.
Nakakapagod. Mga kasyupa, hindi kami pumunta sa zoo. Kasi feeling ko yung zoo dito hindi naman masyadong ganun kaganda. Pero alam mo mga kasyupa, ang maganda rito, maraming building, marami ka napuntahang malls, kaya lang medyo expensive talaga. Kaya mas maganda magdala ka ng tubig mo, ng isang malaking pitchel. Pag isang araw ka lang dito. And then, magdala ka rin ng mga snack mo. Kung gusto mo lang makita yung yung city nila, matikman yung mga pagkain nila, at saka ma-experience mo na nasa Pinas ka. Punta ka rito mga kachupa sa Chicago. Ma-experience mo yung Makati, BGC, ano pa mga magagandang city sa atin, sa Manila. Basta parang Makati, Ayala, na pinagsamang BGC. Basta maraming mga building, ayun, mga kachupa, nag-enjoy naman ako. Antayin lang natin yung car natin, ha? Our car is gonna get now?
Yeah, we're gonna bring it.
Okay.
You don't have to do it.
That's not our car.
I'll take it.
You like that? You like that car, please?
But I'll take it.
Why? Is that better to your car?
But I'll take it.
Ganda ng kachupa. Ang dami mga mayayaman dito.
Doesn't mean I'm gonna trade mine for it. I'll just take it.
But what do you think if they're gonna trade that one? No? Tesla, babe. You like Tesla? Ano Tesla?
Tesla is good.
You wanna trade your car there?
Yep, because it's worth more money. Car's about 30,000. Tesla's about 50. That one maybe 15,000.
Oh.
So half the price.
That looks like sports car, no?
It's actually a low quality.
Ay! Ito na pala, B! Ito na yung kotse namin, B. I miss my car. Is it allowed now? Thank you. Finally.
Good day here, as well.
Be ever gonna go back here again?
I don't know.
You miss your car? Put AC.
I missed AC.
Ay, finally mga kachupa. Finally.
The phone gets a charge.
Kalimutan kasi namin yung charger eh. Pero okay lang yan. At least, hindi kami na low battery.
Yeah.
For the whole day, hindi naman kami nag-shutdown. Nabi, your phone, how many percent?
16% left.
16. Oh, finally, I'm lucky because it's not. So, let's go to Anobi.
Huh?
Where's the ano?
What?
Where's the, let me see. The,
Itinerary?
yeah. Mo, kalimutan mo.
You can go through it.
Navy Pier. Ayun, Totela. Alo, The Bean. Hindi natin napuntahan. The Bean. Can we go there now?
Is that the one left you want to go?
Yeah.
I don't know if there's any parking over there. It's in Millennium Park.
Yeah.
What else do you want?
The Bean and then the... that's it.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay. Located in Millennium Park. So,
You're just gonna go there. And you're not gonna park. And I'm just gonna take a picture. Huh?
yeah, we can do that.